Today, we will know that how artificial intelligence is no less than a big factory which is churning out text, voice, images, and tables. Think of a factory, a large factory like that of a General Motor or the Jamnagar refinery of the Reliance Group. Thousands of acres of land, millions of people, storage, electricity. Artificial intelligence is no less. The amount of data that artificial intelligence consumes is probably 1,000 and million times more than any Excel table or any database that we can imagine. This requires putting together storage, putting together computing, and putting together manpower to handle it. An artificial intelligence model which consumes so much of data also requires electricity to compute in real time and provide you the results. How does it happen? It happens through a process called GPUs. If you think that you can take a small computer like you are doing processing, editing, and creating programs, you are completely mistaken. The ordinary CPUs are unable to do anything like artificial intelligence. What it requires is something called graphic processing units or GPUs. And these GPUs are also specifically manufactured for artificial intelligence by companies like NVIDIA with special muscle power to handle large amount of data. And imagine if you have seen a large goods train going up the hill, 2 engines in the front, 2 engines in the back, 2 engines in the middle, pushing it up. Same thing happens with artificial intelligence. Data may be stored in India, in Belgium, in USA, in Africa. All these through high processing, high powered lines are put together and models are being worked together to churn out results. Results are getting tested. The big factory where you put storage is like storage of the data. Big factory where work in process is like the computing that happens in artificial intelligence. The output, which is quality tested, is like the models and programmers testing. Results, profits, benefits are a long-term issue, but nevertheless they are there. Remember, understanding artificial intelligence requires you to understand how a big, large, mega factory works. Thank you very much.